So it has now officially been summer for probably the last 2 weeks or so, and I'm gonna give you guys a beard survival guide on how to deal with hot summer weather. So the days are getting longer, brighter, and warmer, and with that comes the distress of a lot of beardsmen out there in the world. Beards can quickly become uncomfortable in the hot, dry, or excessively humid environments that summer often brings. So today we're going to talk about the 3 steps that you guys can use to maintain and prepare your beard for summer and make it comfortable and manageable throughout the season. But first, let's get some preconceptions about beards out of the way. More specifically, whether your beard is actually going to cause you to feel warmer or hotter in the summer. So it's commonly thought that growing a beard is actually going to help you feel warmer overall, but this isn't really the case. Now, if you want a really detailed video on that, then check out my video, Do Beards Make You Feel Warmer? But today I'm just going to summarize the 2 main points that I made in that video. So the first reason beards don't really make you feel warmer or hotter, especially in the summertime, is because it actually shades your skin and a lot of your face from UV rays, from infrared rays, and generally the rays from the sun. In excess, these rays can cause skin damage, for example, sunburn. But because your beard actually shades your face and because your hair doesn't have nerve endings on it, you're keeping essentially the rays from the sun off your bare skin, meaning that in the sun your face actually feels cooler with a beard than you would if you had no beard. And this is actually a huge reason why people who live in desert extremist environments like that wear full robes, because it helps keep the sun off their bare skin. Now, the second reason why beards don't typically make you feel warmer overall is because they actually trap sweat and moisture closer to your skin and give that sweat and moisture more of a chance to cool you off before it's evaporated. Now, just because beards don't typically make you feel hotter or warmer overall doesn't mean that beards don't get uncomfortable in the summertime. Hence why I'm making this video for these 3 points. So here's the first tip I've got for you guys for preparing your beard for the summertime. And that is just considering trimming your beard a little bit. Just because your beard doesn't technically make you any warmer or hotter in the summer doesn't mean it's not uncomfortable to have a longer beard in the summertime. This is for a few reasons. In the hot, dry months of summer, longer beards tend not to behave very well. The longer your beard is, the higher the chance that your beard hair is going to be more and more dry. This is because the hair is further away from your skin, which provides the oils necessary to hydrate your beard. And as we know, dry beard hair is never a good thing in terms of both style and comfort. So a lot of men out there will actually trim their beards just a little bit or go with a shorter beard style to try and avoid the dry and the wild hairs that are often the case in the summer months. All right, now step 2 is very important. Step 2 is managing moisture. As you can imagine, managing the moisture in your beard is a hugely important step in taking care of your beard during the summertime. In summer, most climates tend to get either very dry or very humid. And dry weather obviously will dry out your beard. And humid weather may cause too much sweating or too much moisture, especially when paired with the heat. Dry beards are going to feel itchy, flaky, scratchy, or irritated. And excessive dryness can lead to things like breakouts, dandruff in your beard, and even rashes. But on the other hand, beards that are too oily or have too much moisture in them, like if you were in a humid environment, are gonna feel oily, dirty, and can also cause breakouts, rashes, or even infection in some cases. Now, obviously, there's a fine line between being too dry or having too much moisture in your beard. And so managing the moisture in your beard becomes a hugely important thing. And generally, the best way you can get a handle on it is to look at your genetics and the climate you live in. Your genetics are going to determine whether you have excessively oily skin or not oily skin and skin that's prone to dryness. Only you know what kind of skin you have around your beard, and only by taking a look at that will you know exactly what to do in order to fix the problem of having a dry beard or having a beard that may be too oily. Put simply, all you're gonna wanna do is invest in a high quality beard balm or beard oil out there, which can help you manage the moisture in your beard during the summer months and keep it within that healthy spectrum. And so once you have that beard oil or beard balm, pair that with step number 3 and your beard will be perfectly fine throughout the summer. Now, step 3 is a really simple one. Everyone should do it, and it becomes a typical summer activity for anyone with a beard, and that is washing your beard more often. Despite the climate you live in or whether your beard is naturally dry or oily or anything like that, you are going to want to wash your beard more often in the summer months. Not only does this allow you to more closely and consistently manage the amount of moisture in your beard, but it helps you exfoliate and rid your beard of skin cells and debris and dirt and all the other things, contaminants that get in your beard. Think of it this way. Dry beards tend to be flaky, and you're gonna need to wash those flakes out before you reintroduce the oils to your beard. Otherwise, those oils may clump those flakes up and cause breakouts or things like that, or clog your pores, or whatever it is. Oily beards do the same thing, and this is why it's important to wash your beard more often so that you can remove excess sweat and oils from your beard before reapplying and managing the moisture with that beard balm or beard oil that I mentioned earlier. Essentially, anyone and everyone can benefit from washing their beards more often in the summertime. We here at Volt recommend typically once a day, and then immediately once you're done washing, and your beard typically tends to get a little dry, especially if you take things like warm showers, because warm showers really strip away oils. You will need to reintroduce those oils in the form of beard balm or beard oil or anything like that, just so you can stay within that healthy spectrum between too dry and too oily. So overall, summertime is probably the most uncomfortable time of year for people who have beards, but it's not unmanageable. So before you just shave your beard off or anything like that, with these tips that I gave you guys today, I guarantee you, you will have a comfortable and manageable beard in the summer that you will be proud to show off and make it part of your summer style. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. We got tons more videos coming up for you guys. If you have any topics for videos, or if you have any questions for videos that you want us to answer, then leave those in the comment section. We'd love to answer them for you. I will have links in the description to all the beard oils and beard balms that I mentioned in today's video. So if you're interested about getting your own high quality beard balm or beard oil or something like that, that's perfect for the summertime, then you're gonna want to head into the description and click those links. So thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in the next one.